For you guys at home that have a 2-car or standard garage or anything of the sort at your house and it's a complete, unorganized, dirty mess, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do a small, cheap, budget-friendly renovation to your garage. It's going to take it from looking something like this to something like this. I've been in this house for a few years now, and the garage has always been a workspace for vehicles. I did an engine swap. I've done a whole bunch of mods to multiple vehicles, and the garage just hasn't ever been up to par for me as far as organization and space. Space still lacking in because it is just a standard 2-car garage with relatively low ceilings. So it's always been a work in progress. Now, previously I did paint the whole garage. It was just standard cinder block before. I did paint it this nice gray. I painted the trim a nice white. I painted the ducting black and replaced the light fixtures all around because you couldn't see anything in here, and it's just looking a lot better. In this video, we're going to get a whole bunch more accomplished and just make the garage a much nicer and cleaner, organized environment to work in. And this is all budget friendly. Links to the products I use are going to be in this video, including the cabinets, the power tool wall holder, the extension cord reel, all that kind of stuff in the description box below in case you guys want to check that stuff out. With that being said, let's get started on cleaning up this mess. There's a lot of stuff on here that needs to move. As you can see, I got a whole lot done in the garage yesterday. Still a lot of work to go. Over here is basically going to be the shop work corner. I have my toolboxes here, and then I have this nice kind of L-shaped work surface. It's going to give me lots and lots of room to work on projects and things up here. And then I have this toolbox here, which also has more work surface on it. Might add a top to that. We'll see. What I'm actually thinking is I might add a metal top to this and make this a welding table. Possibly. Not sure yet. If I don't do that, I might get rid of some of the wood here and make it metal for a welding table. Either way, I need a welding table because a TIG is in my future. Over here on the shelf, A lot of progress made with this. There's still a whole bunch of stuff, random stuff, just kind of sitting around that I need to take care of. So work in progress, but it's coming along. I got the hoist over here in the corner. Really nice. That's a good spot for that. Now, it's raining outside, so I have to leave the car in here. I don't have to, but I want to, because it is clean. I don't want it sitting outside in the rain. That's fine, because I don't need to do a whole lot where that car is right now. Over here is kind of what I got to focus on. Got the engine up on the hoist, so now I can figure out what I'm going to do with this. A good spot for this before I rebuild it. It only needs a head gasket. It's the only thing wrong with this. It needs a head gasket and a quick cleanup, so that's not a big deal. Got to get rid of that. That goes upstairs. Put the pressure washer back up on there, and then I want to actually connect that hose reel at some point. More work begins now. Junk. Pro tip, if you're thinking about buying one of these Vizio soundbars, just don't. They're absolute crap. The subwoofers never sync. The thing hardly ever syncs with Google Home. Like, it's absolute garbage. There's really no instructions with this. You just kind of look at it, find the holes, shove a screw in, and go from there. Back at it today, boys. Gonna finish up the whole garage reno today. Gonna get everything fully cleaned and organized. I have some shelves to build for the wall. I got some things to mount on the wall, cleaning to do, and all that. So let me just get to it. Pretty excited because I like a clean, organized space. And now that that car's fixed, I got that four-wheeler out of here. I have room to do everything I need to do to finish it up. Let's get started. Assembly difficulty meter, medium. I put this one together, you put the second one together. Ta-da! That was a fantastic work. Don't touch yourself. Gappy. Sheesh! That looks pretty gosh darn good. Say so myself. Oh, so satisfying. Good job, lady.
It needs to be clean from the outside.
Overall, super pumped about how the garage turned out on this mini budget-focused makeover. I have a whole L over here for anything I need to work on. I have storage for bolts and knickknacks. I have cabinets. I have these. Being up on here is so nice because now it's not taking up space. Might end up getting another one of these in the future because that is fantastic. And like I said, links to all those in the description. I will give credit to my girlfriend because she did build this cabinet all by herself.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Give a thumbs up if you think I did a great job on this cabinet.
This cabinet's more solid than that cabinet, FYI. Over here I have all the room to park my truck. Obviously I park the car here, and then when I need to work on something, this is kind of the bay over here. It's a little wider than this one. I don't have the shelf, so this is kind of the working bay, and then over here is the tools. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like content like this, I have much more I upload about every week. Maybe throw in some house mods, got some garage mods, but the main focus is the vehicles on the channel and modifying and driving and doing all that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.